So the side mount's pretty fucking easy. Pretty easy. It's just 3 bolts holding it in on the side. Hopefully these are stripped and I can. Okay, so all 3 mounts are gone, right? Regular mounts, anyway. 1, 2, 3. Now I gotta get these torsion mounts, which are stuck as hell under there, and this crappy one. And then I can get this off somehow, drilling these spot welds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the flip and B is back. And then try and get rid of this rust stuff. Look at this dude. I don't know if you can see. Oh, he got behind the box. He's like going back there, and I don't know what the hell's wrong. Something's back there, and I don't know what it is. Okay, let me, ooh. Okay, so I got one torsion mount off. I couldn't get this one off because the bolt spun or whatever. The nut on the inside just doesn't want to stay. But anyways, but this one, this bracket looks weird as hell. It actually goes on backwards. So, fuck. So the indented side goes on the inner side. Now you can't see that well because my focus sucks. And then the smoother side goes on this side. And then for that one, this one has its own bolts. This one has its own bolts. But this one does not have its own bolts. Because I have 2 miscellaneous extra bolts. And I don't know where the fuck they go. Unless this is for the side mount thing that they're talking about. Well, I don't know where it goes, honestly. So, until I figure out where. Then this mount, I'm super fucking confused where it goes. It goes on the motor somewhere, but I don't fucking know. So we're gonna have to see what the fuck's up with that thing. So, when I figure it out, I'll come back. Okay, So we got most of the bolts mounted, or most of the mounted, right? So this back one, pretty straightforward. Take the other one out, bolt it back in. Pretty flippin' easy. This one, I had to mismatch bolts for this because, yeah. But 1, 2, and there's a third one on the bottom, underneath. Which is for the transmission mount, eventually. Then this one, 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. I didn't even need to cut this one off, because like it looked like it mounted there, so I just left it. So, thug life. And then, this mount is for where the timing cover is, right? This stuff. This one. But I don't really understand how it goes on. Maybe I'm missing a bracket. Because this bracket right here is like the old mount. Which lines up pretty perfect, right? Bam. Lines up perfect, bolts up.
Here's another slogan. Here's another slogan you run into all the time. God bless America. Once again, respectfully, I say to myself, what the fuck does that mean? God bless America? Is that a
Okay. And this one. Obviously, it goes here. Bolts into the tranny. A lot bigger of a space than this one, obviously. So, I'm missing a bracket. And I don't know where or what it is. I have that though. I don't know if there's another bracket I have somewhere. I don't remember. Fudge. Condenser, this side mount bolt. I don't have another one. I just have mad random stuff. So, don't really know what to do about that. So basically that's it. When I get the other mount, I will let you know what happens. Until then, this is about as far as I can go right now. So I'm just going to scoot this shit back and then see what's up. Okay, so we're back at the shop. It's a couple days later. This mount, I think, is not the right one because I don't know where it mounts on the tranny and shit. It's an awkward position. I don't know where it goes. But we're going to put this side mount, we're going to put the motor in. We're going to mount up this one, and then see where that one lines up. Because I don't really know where. And if it doesn't line up, we're just going to have to buy another mount. So, alright, let's go. Okay, so after an hour of flippin' fighting this thing, we finally got the motor to sit on 2 freaking things. Let me tell you how annoying this was. Like, super freaking annoying. The space in here, I had to take off the balancer, by the way. Just anyone else doing this. This is a K24 with the Accord transmission, okay? The transmission hits right here a lot, okay? So you have to dip this. See how many scratch marks I have on this? But you have to dip this inward and then make sure this goes under this lip first before you put all the shit in. And then you could raise it up to get it back on this mount. But I don't have the right mount. But that one. This fucking thing didn't line up for shit. Neither did this one. I have a big ass pry bar over there. That one I had to wiggle in before I found the pry bar. This one I finally got in, but they're